Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to T-Valley Presents Filmfare Glamour and Style Awards 2019, powered by Rang De by NetSurf. As we thank our title sponsor T-Valley, powered by Rang De by NetSurf Network, telecast partner Zoom Style by Mintra, trophy partner The Award Gallery, technical direction and stage management by On-Cue Productions, script written by Ritika Bajaj, event production NetSurf Entertainment, and we'd also like to extend a special thanks to my dear friend, Mrs. Usha Kakre. Lovely to see you here tonight. You know, the thing is, every award speech ends with a million thank yous, but I'm just going to get my thank you notes over and done with right at the beginning. I'd like to thank Filmfare for letting me host such a prestigious event. Or rather, thank you, Karan Johar, for leaving something for others to host. All right, now, the T-Valley Presents Filmfare Glamour and Style Awards 2019, powered by Rang De by NetSurf, are all about celebrating courage. Like a Bahaduri Puraskar for fashion. Basically, we love when you get bold, when you experiment, and when you don't take yourself too seriously. Style is not something you buy, my friends, it's a state of mind. Okay, let's talk about why we're here. The reason behind this august gathering, an evening to get moody, floaty, show your fire and your desire. 1 second. We've just lifted that from Alia Bhatt's Instagram bio. My bad. You see, the thing is, we spend way too much time on Instagram, and it influences our language. Speaking of Instagram bios, some celebrities put a lot of thought when it comes to their bios. Some are funny, some are humble, some just beyond our understanding. For example, Ayushmann Khurrana. Let's take a look at his Insta bio, ladies and gentlemen. Eyebrows are bushy. Aww, can we have a round of applause? It's so cute, so endearing. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at this one. Urvashi Rautela, youngest, most beautiful woman in the universe, only actor to win maximum number of beauty titles in entire history ever, Miss Universe, IIT and theatre athlete. But some of my, it's fine, Urvashi, it's fine. It's more like a CV than a bio, but it's fine. Some of my favorite celebrity friends are not on Instagram, or they don't have a bio. So the thing is, I decided today to fix the gram of their Instagram, starting with the new bride in the house, the gorgeous Deepika Padukone. This is what I was thinking. Deepika Padukone, I could be dressed in a kitchen cloth and still look better than you. No doubt, Deepika, but I don't think Ranveer leaves any piece of cloth lying around without trying it on. That man and his wife can even carry off a potato sack. In fact, recently I heard that some iconic cartoon characters had begun to feel insecure because of Ranveer. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Ranveer as Super Mario. Yeah, we can have a huge round of applause for that. Ranveer as Frozone from The Incredibles. And Ranveer from Disney's Monsters, Inc. Moving on next, blissful new father, the oh-so-suave Shahid Kapoor. Shahid, tell me if you like this. Shahid Kapoor delivered 2 super hits, Misha and Zen. I like it, it's cute. Shahid, your kids and you are adorable. We love, 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 love you. Let's have a round of applause. This is why we're here tonight. All right, the first category in Filmfare Glamour and Style Awards 2019 is about the one celebrity who managed to catch everyone's attention at the helm of their career. A newcomer who gave the veterans a run for their money. It's the Emerging Face of Fashion Award. And to present this award, I would like to invite an entrepreneur, a philanthropist, social activist, Mrs. Usha Kakre, founder and chairman of Gravitas Foundation, which works for underprivileged women and children, and the wonderful actor, Vikrant Massey. And the winner is?
Janvi Kapoor.
Woo!
I want to say thank you so much, Filmfare and Jitesh and everyone here for showering me with so much love this past year and being so encouraging. And I hope I keep doing work that deserves this kind of encouragement, and I hope I make you all proud with more than just my fashion.
Oh, but the fashion is important. 1 second, please tell us who are you wearing tonight?
I can't pronounce his name.
That's great. But just, is it Manish Malhotra?
No, for the first time in a long time, it's not.
Oh my God, it's wonderful. You finally gave another designer a chance. But now that you're here, We want to play a little game with you, if that's cool, Janvi. Are you ready for this?
I don't think I have much of a choice.
Yes, you don't. This is what I love. All right, 3 things that I will always find in your bag.
My phone, my other phone, lip balm, and yeah, sorry.
All right, your top 3 Indian designers.
Manish uncle, Manish uncle, Manish uncle.
Oh,
Sorry, no, he'll kill me.
Listen,
No,
you're
no.
not allowed to call him uncle. Your deal is
This
that
is
you
not
call
gonna
him
air now because he'll kill me.
Your deal is that you call him M, right?
M, yeah.
M
I'm
is what
supposed to
you
call
call
him
him,
M.
but really you want to call him uncle. It's fine. An unpopular fashion trend that you love.
I think it's coming back. I love anything and everything that's shiny, and I love neon, and I think it's coming back.
I feel you with the whole bling thing. Okay, and what is your favorite accessory?
It changes every time. Anything that shines is my favorite accessory.
Ji haan, it is that shiny, blingy unicorn water bottle, ladies and gentlemen. Janvi's favorite accessory that goes with her everywhere. So much so that we hear Ishan envies it because it spends more time with you than he does. Is that right?
Yes, it is.
Well, it looks great on you. Congratulations, Janvi, and we wish you all the best. Have a fab year and keep it stylish.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, now for the T-Valley Filmfare Glamour and Style Award for Emerging Face of Fashion Male. And to present the award, I'd like to invite the lovely Rakulpreet and Malvika Mohanan.
And the winner is Ishan Khattar.
Thank you to our presenters. Ishan, you need to stay on stage and thank a few
Thank
people,
you.
I think.
Thank you so much, Malvika, whom I think is always more fashionable and well turned out than I am. I am as shocked as you are that I've won this.
So sweet. What a gentleman. Okay, now tell us the truth. Are you really jealous of that bottle of Janvi's?
Not at all, not at all. It's too shiny for me.
It's too shiny for you. Yeah, you're a little bit more understated. So speaking of which, if there was something you could steal from your brother's wardrobe, Shahid's wardrobe, what would it be?
Anything that I've not already stolen yet.
Oh, okay, it's like that. Does he steal anything from you?
I don't think he much cares about what I wear.
No, I think he cares about every single thing you do, which is why he's going to love this when he sees this. Because, you know, wardrobe malfunctions are just part of the job. It just happens. And you, with your fabulous dance moves, we figure you can work your way out of anything. So I'm going to give you a situation, and you're going to show us how you dance your way out of it.
Dance my way out of it?
Yeah.
I can show you I can dance my way out of this situation.
Oh, no, you don't.
Thank you very much.
Nicely done. Well done and congratulations, Ishan. You really escaped that one. They were going to make you do some nasty stuff. Nicely done. All right, now that we're talking about the emerging face of fashion, how can I forget to mention this particular celebrity? I mean, to be honest, he hasn't even entered the industry yet, and he already has the paps swarming around him 24/7. He moves, camera clicks. He runs, camera clicks. And don't get me started on his nanny because she's seen more screen time than Sara Ali Khan in Simba. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the real Nawab of Bollywood, the OG male debut of the decade, Taimur Ali Khan. Oh, come on, guys. A round of applause for this cutie. Adorable. And I also want to mention Taimur's stylist and his nanny, who has never once complained that her hashtag OOTD is her hashtag OFL, outfit for life. Aww, amazing. All right, on to our next award. It's for someone who's always present in every conversation. The person who is loved by the paparazzi, by the journalists, by the filmmakers, and by his fans. It's the T-Valley Filmfare Glamour and Style Award for Hot Stepper of the Year. And to present this award, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Sujit Jain, Managing Director, NetSurf Communications Private Limited, and the stunning Diana Penty. The winner is
Vicky Kaushal.
Thank you, Filmfare. Thank you, Jitesh. Thank you to the entire team of Filmfare. I never thought I'll be winning an award when it comes to glamour and style, but here I am. And many thanks to my stylist, Amandeep Kaur. And yeah, very happy to be here. Thank you.
Well, we're very happy to have you here, Vicky, because you know what? You rock a uniform and a pink fur jacket with equal pizzazz. We've seen you do that on screen. You know, until a few years ago, you were giving auditions, and now scripts are being tailored just for you. But what has changed in your fashion sense ever since you became a star?
Nothing. I was handicapped when it came to fashion, and I'm still handicapped.
Ah, lies. We think you're doing a pretty good job, which is why we're going to ask you about a few fashion dilemmas. You have to pick, all right? You like keeping a mustache, but your girlfriend hates it. What you going to do?
I'm going to shave.
This man, look at all the girls swooning already. A famous stylist designer wants to design for you in their show, but you dislike their work. What are you going to do?
I'll wear it.
This boy. Excuse me while I faint. All right, spend money on a branded shoe or a branded watch. या अगर कोई third party है, no conjecture here, वो भी आप बता दो.
Shoes always.
Always shoes? Yeah. All right, the man has taste, ladies and gentlemen. And before we go, since there are no cliches this evening, Vicky, how's the Josh?
Hi, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Vicky Kaushal. The next award is for a man who is nothing short of a magician, an incredible artist who creates masterpieces with faces as his canvas. His experience, his clientele, and his looks scream iconic. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the one and only, the Sultan of Makeup, Mickey Contractor, ladies and gentlemen. This is the T-Valley Filmfare Glamour and Style Specialist Award, and to present the award, I'd like to invite none other than the gorgeous Kajol.
Thank you very much, everyone. I mean, for all the love and affection that I have had over the years, with all these gorgeous ladies in the front row. I mean, it's been an honor, and I wouldn't change it for anything in my life.
Oh, we love you, Mickey.
It takes 2 minutes to look glamorous, but it's 8 hours of hard work. And I really think that we should pat ourselves on the back for all all the hard work that we put into looking glamorous.
All right, moving on to our next award. This one's for someone who is a breath of fresh air in the fashion world. Their name is synonymous with experimental styling, and their sense of styling breaks the monotony. It's the T-Valley Filmfare Glamour and Style Award for Clutter Breaker of the Year. And to present the award, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome on stage a woman who looks hotter with every passing year. Shilpa Shetty, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. You look stunning, Shilpa Shetty. Oh, and the winner of this award is
Ayushman Khurana.
You look wonderful. You can carry off anything.
Thank you so much.
Is there somebody you want to thank for tonight?
Thank you to all scriptwriters, filmmakers coming up with wonderful ideas, out-of-the-box content. But we are here for Glamour and Style Awards, so I would like to thank my brother. He's inspired me a lot since childhood, as far as fashion is concerned. And my stylist, Isha Bansali, she's the best in the world, I think. And my fashion metamorphosis has happened just because of her. So, thank you. Thank you, Jejo. Thank you, Anuradha, Raghu, Rahul Gangs, everybody in Filmfare.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, what do you call someone who never goes out of style? A pioneer who has been paving the way for years in the world of glitz and glamour, making it easier for others to follow. Someone who was, is, and will always be a style goddess. You call them the trailblazer of fashion. To present the T-Valley Filmfare Glamour and Style Award for Trailblazer of Fashion, I'd like to invite my sunshine girl, the gorgeous Preeti Zinta on stage, ladies and gentlemen. Trailblazer of the year, ladies and gentlemen, is...
There it is, Karishma Kapoor.
I think style is just being yourself. I think Sonam will agree. She's always herself, and that shows in her flamboyance and the way she dresses.
We've always wanted you to do a rapid fire, and it's not happened. But it's about to happen right now.
Oh God, I'm going to be in trouble.
Here we go. Ready? All right. Rank in order of style. Alia, Deepika, Anushka, Sonam.
Me!
As it should be. Which song plays in the background when you are getting ready?
No song. Only my children screaming, and if their mood's over, the chitter chatter of our children in our family.
What's the biggest fashion faux pas you've seen recently?
No comments.
No comment.
No comments.
Well, thank you very much, Lolo. We absolutely love your energy. We love your style.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Okay, we often tend to overlook artists from other fields when it comes to noting fashion, so here we are rectifying that with our next award category, which is the T-Valley Filmfare Glamour and Style Award for the most stylish musician actor, to be awarded to the man or woman whose exceptional talent is not just limited to music, but also to fashion and making style statements. To present this award, I'd love to invite on stage Ayushmann Khurrana and Sunny Leone.
Ajo bhai, Diljit Dosanjh. सत श्री अकाल जी सारे बहुत सोहने लग रहे थे Thank you.
All right, and now for the next award. It's designed to commemorate beauty and style that can never grow old, that can never fade. A diva who is timeless and never ceases to be relevant. It is the T-Valley Filmfare Glamour and Style Award for Timeless Beauty, and it's going to the perfect candidate, the absolutely beautiful, the radiant Kajol. To present the award is the one, the only, Shah Rukh Khan, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, everybody here who's present, and it's a privilege and an honor to be besides my friend, my co-artist, even not arguably, perhaps actually sincerely, one of the finest actors that we've ever had the opportunity to see in the last 20 years. As far as the beauty is concerned, she is the most beautiful actor, the most beautiful person, the most beautiful human being, the most beautiful...
Oh,
okay.
She's loving it, you know it.
ठीक हो गया ना? Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great honor and great privilege to be presenting this award to the one and only Kajol.
Thank you so much, Filmfare, for this wonderful award. And thank you, Shah Rukh, for all the sweet things. Thank you so much.
I had some more written also, but you're not letting me finish them.
It's okay.
We move on to our next award for the night. It felicitates the one celebrity who, as the title goes, isn't afraid of taking risks, of facing critique and making bold statements. It's the T-Valley Filmfare Glamour and Style Award for Risk Taker of the Year. And to present the award, I'd love to invite my dear beautiful friend Pooja Hegde on stage and Akshara Hassan.
And the risk taker of the year goes to Sonakshi Sinha.
Thanks, Filmfare. This is the Risk Taker of the Year award, I've been told. Yes, I like taking risks, but most importantly, I make mistakes and I learn from them. And well, this is the result, so thank you.
Congratulations. You have to stay. Thank you to our presenters. Since you're the risk taker, are there any fashion trends that you'll stay away from out of the following options? If you'd kindly look at your screen, these are your options. Shilpa Shetty's animal print from Chura Ke Dil Mera. Option number 2. Karishma Kapoor's version of a Superman outfit from Andaz Apna Apna. Or Govinda and Juhi's aluminium foil outfit from an old photo shoot.
You know, Lolo, you came this close to winning. But I'll stay clear of the foil, please. Thank you very much.
The next award recognizes the achievements of a beauty that is enigmatic and yet sparks conversations. This is the T-Valley Filmfare Glamour and Style Award for the ultimate diva, and who better to win it than the eternally gorgeous, this is such an honor, the absolutely beautiful Rekha Ji. And to present the award, I'd like to invite the absolutely lovely Vidya Balan on stage, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really honored and very, very heartened to be here. Somebody just asked me, what was I wearing tonight? I'd like to believe it's my parents' legacy. What you see is exactly that. So thank you, Amma. Thank you, Appa. Also my genes, I guess. That's what it's all about. Nothing to do with me. Thank you, Filmfare. Thank you, Jitesh. Thank you, every single one of you. Thank you so much.
All right, it's now time to award the ultimate bearer of outstanding outfits, the one whose wardrobe sparks envy with every appearance, every snapshot of theirs. The most stylish star award is given to those whose clothing speaks loud enough to dim the noise. The next award is for the T-Valley Filmfare Glamour and Style Award for the most stylish star female. And to present this award, I'd like to invite Arun Mishra, CEO DJ Group, and Shahid Kapoor on stage, please, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, just to bring your attention that this event is taking place in association with T-Valley. T-Valley, with its truly original Assamese tea, has already made inroads into the hearts and minds of true tea connoisseurs across India, with the choicest aromatic leaves making every sip a memorable experience. Started by the globally renowned DJ Group, T-Valley has today set the benchmarks in taste, processes, practices, and quality in the industry. Led by the visionary Shri Dinesh Jain, DJ Group has been consistently evolving to address the needs and aspirations of the modern-day Indian consumer. This led to the creation of the D-Diet Chef India Private Limited under the guidance of the dynamic Shri Nama Jain. Good evening and welcome to you. Good evening, Shahid. How are you?
Hi, Sophie. How are you?
You are killing it tonight.
Thank you.
Love it.
So
and you're
you.
about to announce the name of a very special, extremely stylish lady.
Yes, the award goes to the one and only Sonam Kapoor, who's sitting right next to me.
I'd like to thank my sister, Riya Kapoor. She dresses me. I'm her Barbie doll, I think. I never played with dolls. She always did, and I grew up. So this is all for her.
All right, moving on to the T-Valley Filmfare Glamour and Style Award for the Most Stylish Star Male. And to present this award, I'd like to invite Karishma Kapoor on stage, please, ladies and gentlemen. And the winner is...
The most stylish star male goes to Shahid Kapoor.
I need to thank my stylist Anisha Jain. She's the one who styles me, and yeah, I mean, she's completely responsible for whatever I wear. So when I get it right, it's all to her credit. When I get it wrong, it's all to her credit again. But thank you very much, Filmfare. It's wonderful to be here. Some wonderfully stylish people, some extremely talented people who are here. It's always amazing to see the fraternity that you work with and to be inspired by the work that they're all doing.
Congratulations. Thank you so much. The next award of the evening, the Most Glamorous Star Award, is crafted for that ingenious icon whose presence is enough to own the room. The next award is for the T-Valley Filmfare Glamour and Style Award for the Most Glamorous Star Female. And to present the award, I'd like to invite on stage Bipasha Basu, Vicky Kaushal, and Ishan Khattar. And the winner is...
कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है आपको घर में ही रख लूं जब ये अवार्ड नाइट हो, साथ में ही आ जाए करें, ट्रैफिक में भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, संग संग आएंगे, संग संग जाएंगे.
You wish.
The next award is for the T-Valley Filmfare Glamour and Style Award for the Most Glamorous Star Female. And to present the award, I'd like to invite on stage Bipasha Basu, Vicky Kaushal, and Ishan Khattar. And the winner is...
It is the one and only Deepika Padukone.
Stunner.
I read a quote recently which said, it takes 2 minutes to look glamorous, but it's 8 hours of hard work. And I really think that we should pat ourselves on the back for all all the hard work that we put into looking glamorous, especially tonight.
I love it. And I know Bipasha will agree with that because it's all about loving yourself first, and that's the most important thing. Okay, so Ranveer admitted something. You looked amazing throughout your wedding. You looked absolutely gorgeous. Ranveer said something about how you dressed up for him as Frida Kahlo on acid, and that was his dream come true. So if it were up to you, how would you like Ranveer to dress for you?
I think he did throughout the wedding, to be honest. I know as much as he would have liked to wear another designer, who he did end up wearing for one of the other functions, he kind of surprised me by wearing what he wore. And I didn't have to ask for it. So I think we kind of complement each other in that way.
Yes, you absolutely do. I'm going to show you a few pictures, and we're going to see if you can name the designer.
Okay.
All right, here we go. In this photograph, you are wearing shoes by...
Balenciaga.
Nice.
Yes.
All right. And breaking the internet in this next fabulous dress, let's see if you remember this designer.
This is, I know it's the Mexican designer.
Yes, you're getting there.
Johanna Ortiz.
My goodness. 5 on 5,
Ortiz.
Deepika. Well, you got them all. You look gorgeous. Congratulations. The ultimate icon. Beautiful, as always. Ladies and gentlemen, Deepika Padukone. Moving on to the T-Valley Filmfare Glamour and Style Award for the most glamorous star male. I mean, this is the one I'm so excited about. To present the award, I'd like to invite none other than the beautiful, iconic Rekha ma'am on stage.
I don't need to open the envelope.
Exactly.
Again. When somebody addressed me, they said that we don't need to introduce her, she is who she is, and took my name. But I will say this, he is the shahiest of them all, Shah Rukh Khan.
Thank you so much, Rekha ji. This is wonderful. कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है आपको घर में ही रख लूं जब ये अवार्ड नाइट हो, साथ में ही आ जाए करें, ट्रैफिक में भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, संग-संग आएंगे, संग-संग जाएंगे.
You wish.
I love you very much. Thank you very much for waiting here and doing the honors. Thank you. It's always a pleasure to meet you, not only here, otherwise, you're the most beautiful, the most wonderful lady I've ever known in my life. Thank you very much, Rekha ji, first. And I do feel like a complete misfit here, so I want to thank my friends Jitesh and Anuradha. I truly believe that style, and the only style that doesn't go out of fashion, is elegance and honesty and a bit of sense of humor. And I think as long as that stays in style, I'll keep wearing black unless they invent something darker than that. So thank you, Filmfare.
You stole my line. I was going to say that for you. You can't leave just yet. Rekha ma'am, we love having you on stage. You're welcome to stay as he does this because Shah Rukh, we're going to put you on the spot. You are stylish. We love you in black. We love you in anything. So we want to know, what's Shah Rukh's ideal airport look?
Sneakers, blue jeans, and white t-shirt.
If you had to wear one outfit for the rest of your life, what would it be?
White t-shirt and blue jeans and sneakers.
Blue jeans and sneakers.
Yeah. And I really have lots of them. My whole wardrobe is just white t-shirts, blue jeans, and a black suit. And when I'm very excited, when I go out with a white shirt with a bow tie. I really want to say this. The sense of confidence with what you wear, clothes, and I know you all personally, so I know what kind of people you are, what kind of human beings you are, how simple and sweet you are. But the confidence with which you can carry your clothes and style is extremely commendable. I think one of the greatest assets, most of the people who are present here, is the fact that they can carry it off with lots of aplomb, lots of style, lots of confidence, and so do you. So I think being able to carry off clothes is not about the clothes, it's about the confidence you all have. So I genuinely bow down to you for the stuff that you wear and carry it off. It only, like, you know, when we were young, we were told this, that clothes don't make it a man maketh the clothes. So women and men here, you really do make it the clothes that you wear.
Well, you know what? You appreciate our confidence, and that means a lot. But we bow down to you for your style and your wit, which is why we're really fond of your Instagram game. So, we're going to have some fun here. We would like for you to give us some killer captions for some of these very special photos that we've chosen, Shah Rukh. Are you ready for this?
Yes, no, but yeah.
Never ready, but here we go.
Very, very hot.
Very hot?
Very hot, very leathery.
Hi.
Very just going into Karan Johar style of sherwanis that I wore. No, that's not me. I deny this is fake news. This is wrong. All this shit that goes on social media and Instagram, this is wrong, this is not me. Who did this? This is my attempt at being non-urban. I'm trying to be a desi guy, which works nowadays. To everyone who thinks who can be Shah Rukh Khan on this.
Oh. And this is why we love you, Shah Rukh Khan. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
The best sport.
Thank you, Deepak, for having me over. Thank you, all of you, for bearing with me. And this is a great evening. And thank you all the beautiful ladies, and thank you all the young, handsome gents for doing what you guys do. And thank you, Jitesh and Anuradha, for having me over. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, Sophie. You are wonderful and marvelous. God bless you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so
We
much, guys.
love
Thank
you,
you.
and thank you for
Thank you.
making our night. Shah Rukh Khan, ladies and gentlemen. It does not get better than that. Ending on a high, that's what our Filmfare family likes to see. Thank you so much, everyone who graced us with their presence, gave our event oodles of press. The sass never stops. Hope you all took the humor as lightly as my eyes adjust to eyelash extensions. And before Jitesh comes on stage and snatches the mic, I'll quickly thank the sponsors for T-Valley Presents Filmfare Glamour and Style Awards 2019, powered by Rang De by NetSurf. Title sponsor T-Valley, powered by Rang De by NetSurf Network. Telecast partner Zoom Style by Mintra. Trophy partner The Award Gallery. Technical direction and stage management On Cue Productions. Script written by Ritika Bajaj. Event production NetSurf Entertainment. We'd also like to extend a special thank you to Mrs. Usha Kak.